At Vinitaly, wine expert Filippo Bartolotta led a tasting of Friuli Venezia Giulia wines, from crisp whites to bold-aged reds, taking guests on a journey through one of Italy's most unique wine regions.
Which is beautiful, and then back to Collio.
So if someone has never tried Friuli Venezia Giulia wine, which one would you recommend trying?
Well, Friuli Venezia Giulia has been the home of Italy greatest whites. Between the 80s and the mid 90s, there was no doubt about it. Like the point of reference of great Italian whites was Friuli. I'm going to go through a pretty good amount of DOCs: Collio, Collio Orientali, Grave, so the largest appellation. I'm going to do some Isonzo, a dash in Carso region, which is beautiful, and then back to Collio. Friuli Venezia Giulia has been the home of Italy greatest whites. Between the 80s and the mid 90s, there was no doubt about it. Like the point of reference of great Italian whites was Friuli Venezia Giulia. Then there was a moment when they were somehow in the shade, and I think it's time to talk about Friulian whites again.
What about the reds?
The reds are amazing. I'm going to be having some Schioppettino, Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso, incredible indigenous varieties that require a little time to age well. Friulano is if you go into a bar in Friuli and say, "Can I have a glass of wine?" They give you Friulano. So I'm going to stay with Friulano.